I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Click Create Integration. Search and select Tutor LMS for the trigger. Select a task. And select a course as you want. Then click Next. Now search for Action SendPulse. Give a name. For client ID and client secret, please click here. Copy client ID and secret and paste it in authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorized successfully done. Now click on Next. Choose Module. Now map the fields. Here you can see conditional logic. As per your requirement, you can use it. Click on Next. Integrations successfully done. Now please click on Finish and Save. Now check the integrations by submitting a form. Form submitted successfully. Now go to SendPulse dashboard. Click on Mailing List Account. Now click on My Emails. You can see record created in Mailing Lists module. This way you can create integrations. Thanks for watching.